Now I'm going to show you how to go sideways using what's called a side draw. Rotate your upper body towards the side. Keep your feet straight. Put the blade in the water a few inches away from the board with your power face facing your rail. And then literally pull the water towards you. Bend your knees slightly for balance. As you can see there, I'm pulling the water towards me. Good to try on both sides. Lower hand does the work, upper hand just holds the paddle. In this case, I'm pulling the nose in, but if I want to pull the whole board in straight, I want to go at my feet or behind my feet, or else the fin will turn the board. If you have really a board with a lot of rocker on the bottom, then you really need to put the paddle behind your feet and pull it in to get her nice clean. There's another one here, slicing the blade back and forth, and then using your lower hand for control, and that works great as well. And this one, we're going backwards. One stroke on both sides, and always look behind you to see where you're going. Bend your knees just in case. This is in small waves to add challenge. Going backwards there. Do one with more than one stroke your turn. In order to stop, paddle forwards like I just did there. Paddling forwards. And here's another example of paddling backwards. If you keep your shaft vertical, you'll go straight. One stroke on both sides, looking behind you, bending your knees for balance. And here's another way to stop. It's just to simply turn. Instead of putting the brakes on, turn away from something you don't want to hit. And if you don't want to hit something, don't look at it. If you look at something, your board will take you there and you will hit it. So always look away from things you don't want to hit. With more experience, you can step back on the back of your board and do a pivot turn with a reverse sweep right here. Spin around to avoid hitting something. Very commonly used in surf at the end of a ride. This method is a great way to stop. I'm coming in with some speed and apply pressure on my paddle behind me. Use my lower left hand there to apply the pressure. Then a reverse and forward sweep to turn around. Paddling back out, getting a little bit more speed. Right there, I'm going to apply pressure again on the paddle. The blade is flat on the surface. Spin it around, a couple reverse sweep turns there. Coming in again. Again, a little bit of speed. This time I'm doing little back strokes on both sides to stop the board. That's great if you're about to hit something. Same thing here again, a different angle. Backstroke on that side, backstroke on that side. You're going to hit something is the best way to go. Once again there, and once again there.